Thanks, sir.
Okay, children. So,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Come on.
Thank you, sir.
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 Everybody got chance?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today we'll start
Atomic
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 structure.
structure.
Atomic structure.
So, in that, some important terms.
On our second day of Cape Town, we began to encounter strong winds. For the next few weeks, the view continuously. Gales did not worry me. The size of the waves were alarming after 15 meters,
Okay.
as high as our
Just find out.
December
The
25.
Srijoy Paul.
Vijay Paul.
Yes, sir. Vijay Paul.
Sir.
One more person is there. Some important terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
And number one is atomic number. Atomic number. What is it is denoted as Z. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this? It is
Number
equal
of protons.
Number of protons in an atom.
number of
Number-
protons. Yeah.
That
Number
is
of
equals to number
protons.
of electrons.
Number of proton in an atom. Number of protons of an atom. This is known as atomic number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So where is that atomic number is written? So you should write this is symbol. Nothing is written, 0 is written, nothing is written, 1 is written. This is about oxidation number. This is about
Atomicity.
Atomicity.
atomicity. This is about X
X
factor.
factor.
This
Factor.
is about number of moles.
Number of particles.
Okay. And this is about Z value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And this is for atomic mass. This is for mass number A.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So write down the Z values. Hydrogen 1,
1,
3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7,
9.
8, 9.
8, 9.
Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 And on the top when you are writing, okay, this is mass number 19, 18, 14, 12, 11, 9, 7, 4, 1, like this. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So number 2 is mass number.
For oxygen will be 16 now. You have written 18.
सर ऑक्सीजन का तो 16 भी होता है
16 भी होता है. Right? Is okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mass number. Mass number is denoted by A. What is this? It is equal to number of neutron and proton, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that we have already completed. Then what do you mean by isotopes? Isotopes.
Same atomic number but different mass
Different
number.
mass number.
Same Z value, but
A value.
different A value, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Example 1, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Everywhere 1, 1, 1. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
It is also known as protium, deuterium, and tritium.
Tritium.
Yes, sir.
1, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 3.
3.
Okay, radioactive. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
okay. Here, everywhere proton is 1, but here neutron is equal to 0, here neutron is equal to 1, here neutron equal to 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
if n by p ratio is not equal to 1, then is not equal to 1, then possibility for radioactivity, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
N by p ratio is not equal to 1, then there is a possibility of radioactivity, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay. Abundance, tell me, out of these 3 isotopes, which one is more quantity? 99.98%, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes,
deuterium,
sir.
0.015%. This is very less. Another example, chlorine. This is 35 and this is 37, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is also
Sir.
isotope. It is abundance. Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Abundance. Abundance is 3 and 1. It is in 3 parts. It is in 1 part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you calculate the average atomic mass? Average atomic weight. So 3 into 35
35.
plus
5
1
plus
into
37 into 1
37
by
4.
divided by 4. Tell me what the value will come.
35.
35.5.
35.5.
35.5. This thing you can write like this also. Okay, summation of ratio of percentage abundance into atomic weight by 100. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
did you understand what this symbol is telling? That whatever the percentage is given, no, you keep on writing like
Yes,
this
sir.
in this format.
Sir, what is
Maybe
abundance?
Yes, sir.
abundance means this is not our duty. Scientists will find out that in the total content,
So it will be given.
what are the percentage of each isotope. They will give us the abundance.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Abundance means finding out how much quantity is present.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another example is, tell me, carbon and carbon. 12. This is, sorry,
तो उल्टा हो गया.
6 and 6, 12 and 14.
14.
Another example is oxygen. 8, 16, 18, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another example, uranium. Okay, 92. One is 235, one is 230. 8. So mass numbers are different or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But number of electron and number of protons are same. That's why chemical properties are same. But their rates may be different, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why chemical properties are same? Because number of protons and number of electrons are same. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what do you mean by isobars?
Whose mass
Different
number are
atomic
same,
numbers,
but
same
atomic
mass
numbers are
But same
different.
atomic number is different.
Multiple
Yeah. A is same,
But different Z values.
but Z
different.
value is different.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you give me example? Carbon
Argon and calcium.
and nitrogen, 6 and 7. But it is 14 and this is 14, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now mass numbers are same. So we can say that physical properties are
Same.
nearly same, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But electrons are different, protons are different, so chemical properties are different. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Can you give me some more example? Yes. Argon, potassium, calcium. 18, 19, 20. Okay? Everybody has
40, 40.
40, 40, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Another example. In same way, xenon and what? Barium. This is 54, this is 56. But mass number is same. Right, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
that the electronic configuration come under this chapter.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Next is isotones. Isotones. Let me check out some chat box. Isotones. What is isotones? A minus Z will be same. What is A minus Z?
Mass number minus
Number of
Number
neutrons.
of neutrons.
Number of neutrons are same.
Yes, sir.
Example, tell me. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Tell me the number of atomic number. 14, 15,
15, 16.
32. Okay.
32.
31.
31.
And this is 30. Calculate A minus Z. What is A? 13 minus 14. Tell me the value.
16.
Again, 31 minus 15.
16.
16.
32 minus 16.
16.
16.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
What will happen here? Neither chemical property, neither physical properties are same.
Okay, sir.
Neither physical
Not chemical.
nor
Not chemical.
chemical. Properties are same. Why? Because nothing is same.
Yes, sir.
Only neutrons are same. Okay. So neutrons don't have effect in chemical properties, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are isotones. And what is next? Isodiaphers. Can you give me some more example about it? Carbon and what? Oxygen. 6 and 8. This is 16 and this is 14. Find out A minus Z value.
8.
8.
14 minus 6.
8.
16 minus 8.
8.
8.
Next example. Sodium and magnesium, right? It is 11,
Yes,
it is
sir.
12, it is
Yes.
24, it is 23. Find out A
23.
minus Z value.
12.
12.
12.
23 minus L, 12.
12.
24 minus 12.
12.
Right. Now next is isodiaphers. Isodiaphers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is isodiaphers? N minus P. Value is same. Okay, number of neutron minus proton will be same.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Tell me this one. Fluorine 9 and 19. And then what? Sodium 11 and 23. First find out A minus Z value. Find out
10.
10.
9. 11.
10
For
neutrons.
fluorine and 12 for
A
sodium.
minus Z means neutron.
Yes, sir.
Find out
12.
here also
12.
12.
12.
is 12 neutrons, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
now you find out N minus P. This is P, children. This is P.
10 minus 9. 1.
1.
So 10 minus 9. It is 1.
1.
Yes, sir.
Here also
Here
1.
also.
Also 1.
Yes, sir. 12 minus
10
11.
minus P. 12 minus 11. 1 is coming or not?
Yes,
Sir.
This is known as isodiaphers. Next is isosters. Right? Isosters. What is the criteria, characteristic feature of isosters?
8 minus.
Okay, same atomicity and same number of electrons. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir.
what is the criteria, characteristic feature of isosters?
Same.
Same atomicity and same number of electrons.
electrons.
Same atomicity and same number of electrons.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Example, okay,
Yes, sir.
CO2 and N2O. Find out atomicity.
Atomicity 3 and 3.
That 3 atomicity.
3, right?
Yes,
Sir.
Number of electrons also.
8.
How many electrons carbon has? 6.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen
And
8.
16. 8 and 8. 16.
So 8 to the 16.
How much?
22.
22.
22.
22.
Nitrogen has how many electrons?
28 plus 8.
Nitrogen 7 electrons.
Yes, yes,
17,
14.
14, 14
14
plus
plus 8.
8.
22.
22.
Same or not?
Yes,
Sir.
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 Write another example. C6S6. E3N3S6. Find out atomicity.
12.
12.
12. Find out atomicity.
12.
12. Find out number of electrons. Who is this? Who is this? No control in paper and all. Chat, put me in chat box. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Number of electrons.
Yes, sir.
How many electrons? In benzene, this is benzene.
12 for
Do you
benzene.
know? This is known as organic benzene,
Sir,
and this
42.
is known as inorganic benzene. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll
Okay,
explain
sir.
how. I'll explain in the topic when it comes. But it is organic benzene and this is inorganic benzene.
Sir, why same name?
First, tell me the number of electrons.
Sir,
Sir,
42.
42.
42.
42. Here,
Also 42.
42.
are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How boron has how many electrons?
5.
5 into 3,
15.
15.
7 into 3,
21.
1.
and 1 into 6.
6.
15 plus 21. 35 plus
6, 5, 11, 1, 12 का 1. Right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody told why same name. It is not same name. It is benzene and it is benzene. Up to here it is only same, but it is organic and it is inorganic. Right?
Yes, sir.
Their structures are same. Okay. See, this is benzene, children. Carbon, 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 and hydrogen, and hydrogen, and hydrogen, and hydrogen, and hydrogen, and hydrogen. Right?
Yes, sir.
In same way, it is in this molecule also. Nitrogen, boron, nitrogen, boron, nitrogen, boron. Right? So double bond, double bond, double bond, and one hydrogen on each atom. I'll explain the structure when the chapter comes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Both the structures are nearly same. That's why they are known as benzene. One is real organic benzene and another is inorganic benzene. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, no need to draw the structure now. Just our main focus is on this one, isosters. Okay?
Sir.
Isosters, same means our focus is on isosters.
Yes, sir.
Means same atomicity and same number of electrons. Okay?
Yes, sir.
For electron counting, we will only use the valence electron.
तू एक बार खुल के बोल दे क्या बोलना चाह रहा बेटा.
Then
बोल.
to count the electron, we
हाँ.
will use the only valence electron or both the electron.
टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन बेटा, टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि we are not discussing about the chemical properties, no. Only when we discuss about chemical property, then only we have to discuss valence electrons.
Okay, sir.
And when we are discussing chemical bonding, then only we have to discuss valence electrons.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next is isoelectronic. Isoelectronics, right? What is isoelectronic? Iso means same. This iso word means same, beta.
In same electron.
Same electron.
Number of electrons are same. Write down. N-3, O-2, F-, neon, Na+, Mg+2, Al+3. C electrons are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same.
Sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
How many electrons?
Yes, sir.
10 electrons. 10 electrons. 10 electrons. So this is anion, but electrons are same. Anion, electrons are same. Anion, electron. Neutral atom, electrons are same. Cation, electrons are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Who is the smallest among them? Smallest size.
Sodium.
Okay, when isoelectronics, then okay, atomic size is inversely proportional to Z value. जिसका Z वैल्यू ज्यादा होगा उसका एटॉमिक साइज या जो भी साइज होगा वो कम होगा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
साइज, नॉट ओनली साइज, पार्टिकल साइज. किसका Z वैल्यू ज्यादा है? इसका Z वैल्यू बताओ, नाइट्रोजन का 7. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Z वैल्यू पढ़ाया ना सबसे पहले, तो एटॉमिक नंबर ही पढ़ाया था,
Seven. Nitrogen. 7.
ठीक है? Z वैल्यू देखो, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aluminum.
This is Z value 8, 9, 10, 11,
11.
12, 13.
Yeah, who has highest Z value?
Ammonium.
Aluminum.
Then it will be the smallest, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So these are about some important terms, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, write down one table. This is very important table, okay? Regarding atom, okay? Regarding atom. So this is known as atom, children.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Everybody got chance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Just maintain silence, okay?
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
So if this is atom, okay, who told that atom cannot be divided further?
Dalton.
Dalton.
Yes.
Okay, he told, yeah, he only used this word atom. It was a Greek word, okay?
Okay,
Derived
sir.
from Greek word. Okay, and atom means indivisible. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But tell me it is correct.
Wrong, sir.
No, sir.
No, it is divisible, okay? And atom is
sir.
divided into subatomic particles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Three
It is
particles.
electron,
Electrons, protons,
Proton.
neutron.
neutron, and many particles are there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Many particles. Many particles. Other than this, electron, proton, neutron, neutrino,
Positron.
neutrino, right?
So what
Then
is neutrino?
I will tell you. Anti-neutrino, then also some people find that
So what is
positron.
their function? Neutrino,
I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Positron. Then some more particles are there. Antiproton. Still some particles are there. Pions. Okay. Then mesons. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So many particles are there. So actually scientists has still they are trying. Okay. They did not get any correct properties. Okay. So we will not discuss about, you just remember that these are undergoing process, right?
Okay, sir.
Undergoing process. So we will practically use which particles?
Electron, proton,
Proton,
neutron.
neutron.
Proton and neutrons.
Neutron.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
the useful and the daily encounter, we will encounter these only: electron, proton and neutron. So they are particle under atom. Okay, so these are known as subatomic particle, children. Subatomic particles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what is the position of proton in the atom? In the nucleus.
In the nucleus.
In the
And
nucleus.
neutron in the nucleus, right?
The nucleus.
Yes, sir.
And electrons
In the shell.
Outside the nucleus.
outside the
cell.
nucleus.
Orbit.
In the orbital.
Outside the nucleus, in
Outside
the
the
orbit.
nucleus.
Okay,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
in the orbit, in the suborbit, in the orbital, we have discussed earlier.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first let us write down some characteristic property regarding subatomic particles. Okay, characteristic properties. Who is in bus stand? Make a beautiful chart. Okay, subatomic particles. This is cover by this is known as mass. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. One column, two column, three column, four column. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is sufficient, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is known as subatomic particle. Discover mass, relative mass, charge, relative charge, E by M ratio. Okay. चलिए subatomic particle. First we will write about electron. Who discovered electron?
J.J.
Thomson.
Thomson.
Thomson. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Proton,
Sir, Goldstein,
neutron,
Chadwick.
Chadwick.
Chadwick, right?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Mass, tell me mass. Neutron mass, tell me. Neutron mass.
9.1096.
1.6. 1.675.
Into 10 to the power of
Yeah,
minus 20.
into 10 to the power minus 27 kg.
27.
If you want gram, multiply by 1000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the proton mass?
1.60.
1.673. It is 5 here, na? Make it
Yes,
3
sir.
into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you delete this 3 and 5, then what will be the mass? 1.67, 1.67.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
their mass will be nearly what? Same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the mass of electron?
9.109
.109
31
into 10 to
kg.
the power
9.18 into
minus
10 to the power
31.
minus 31 kg, right?
31.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you write in AMU form?
So 1.
AMU form, right? 1.008. Okay, AMU. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
this is 1.007 AMU. Slightly less. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this is regarding AMU. Three zero. After that 5. It is very less. Okay, compared to
Yes,
this.
sir.
They are 1 AMU. They are 1 AMU nearly. They are 0.0005 AMU. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's why
Yes,
mass
sir.
of electron is neglected. Right, children?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Relative mass. Okay. Generally we will use one only, children. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here also we will use one only. Okay. 1 AMU, right?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. In another way, 1 by 1837 AMU, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
If somebody asks how many times electron is less than proton,
1 by 187 times.
1837 times.
Okay, sir.
Charge. Did you have any problem? Please discuss with me right now only. Don't keep in your mind.
So it is 1 by 18.37 or 1837.
1837. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What was your question? What was your question? What was your question?
Sir, mine.
Ah,
Sir, it is 18.37 or 1837.
no, it's not point. It is 1837, right? ये हुआ क्या? ठीक कर रहे. चलो चार्ज. Tell me charge.
Negative charge.
Minus
Electrons.
1.
Yeah,
Minus
if
1.
if we tell the relative charge means in short form -1 +1 proton. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Neutron.
0.
Neutron 0.
Okay. if you want to write in detail, then it is
minus
0.
1.
Okay. ये क्या हुआ? कौन रीडिंग कर रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा? क्या बेटा क्या हुआ?
आज कर रही है।
ओके, इसका चार्ज कितना होगा मालूम है? 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 कूलम. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
What is the charge? What is the charge of proton?
Same. Same for same fine.
1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. Everybody repeat it.
1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb.
Once again.
1.602
into 10 to the minus 19
7 into 10 to the power 90.
minus
Okay.
90.
And what is the charge of electron?
Minus 1.6
Minus
into 10 to the minus
1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb.
Plus 19 coulomb.
Same charge, same charge. Okay. Can you write in ESU form? Electrostatic unit. 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. ESU, electrostatic unit. Read it.
Yes, sir.
4.8
4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU.
Electron, electron.
minus 4.8
Minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 10.
4 into 10 to the
Okay,
power
yes.
minus
Investment of memory is there. Once you remember it, no, coming lessons will be very easy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me E by M ratio. E by M ratio. Write the charge over here. Okay. Okay. What is the charge? 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb by. Write the weight. 9.18 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg.
C by M na E by M.
It is E by M ratio. E by. Actually it is C by M ratio. Charge by mass. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is C by M ratio. But style मार दिया chemistry में. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So generally what we think that what is the charge of electron is only the ultimate charge. Okay. And every charge is multiple of it. That's why we write E by M ratio. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Actually, it is charge by mass ratio. लेकिन किस में बर्बाद हुआ?
Style.
या चलो वैल्यू निकालो. ठीक है, डिवाइड करके देखोगे. ओके, इसका वैल्यू आएगा
1.75.
इसका वैल्यू आएगा 1.76 into 10 to the power 11 कूलम पर केजी. ठीक है बेटा,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
करके देखना. ये होमवर्क है आपका. ओके, होमवर्क. चलिए इसको करके देखिए. 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb divided by 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. चलो निकाल के देखो क्या आएगा बेटा. इससे कम आएगा या ज्यादा आएगा?
ज्यादा आएगा.
ज्यादा आएगा.
कम आएगा.
आप देखो ऊपर वैल्यू कांस्टेंट है.
Yes, sir.
नीचे ये देखिए, ये नीचे वैल्यू जितना कम रहेगा उतना वैल्यू ज्यादा आएगा.
ज्यादा आएगा.
Yes, sir.
और ये नीचे वैल्यू देखो कम हो गया, बहुत खतरनाक. सॉरी, ये वाला कम था, ये वाला बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. देखो
कम आएगा.
हेलो.
Yes, sir.
तो इसका वैल्यू क्या आना चाहिए?
कम
किसी का वैल्यू ज्यादा रहेगा तो वैल्यू टोटल वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, कम।
कम आया
हम
देखिए
आएगा
वैल्यू,
सर।
हाँ 9.58 into 10 to the power 7 कूलम पर केजी, राइट।
यस सर।
इसका क्या आएगा, न्यूट्रॉन का E by m
0
0 आएगा ना बेटा।
आंसर नहीं।
हेलो,
10 to the 7 या -7?
कौन बोल रहा है, कौन -7 आया, कहाँ पर?
0 है।
नहीं वो
जीरो सर, जीरो।
हो गया ना।
यस सर।
तो ये सब वैल्यू सब याद करिए, कल हम लोग फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
चलिए बाय बाय।
बाय सर।
कोई डाउट अभी तक?
नहीं सर।
The mass of neuron is same as the mass of hydrogen.
अरे क्या बेटा, चलो मास बताओ, प्रोटॉन का वजन बताओ बेटा।
सर mu का
न्यूट्रॉन का,
यस सर, न्यूटन
बोलो तुम ही बोलो बेटा, तुम ही बोलो, बोलो एक बार बोल के आज पूरा।
1.008 AMU।
किसका किसका?
न्यूट्रॉन सर, न्यूट्रॉन।
ओके हाँ बोलो, चलो बोलो।
1.008
ओके
AMU।
अब प्रोटॉन का बोलो।
1.007 U।
तो हाँ, तो किसका ज्यादा है?
No sir, I am not saying that. I am saying that the mass of hydrogen, one atom of hydrogen is
अच्छा
same.
हाइड्रोजन पे आ गए हो। हाँ तो हाइड्रोजन का यही आ गया बेटा, हाइड्रोजन में तो खाली एक प्रोटॉन ही तो है।
प्रोटॉन ही है। हाँ।
क्या नाम बेटा तेरा? क्या नाम बेटा तुम्हारा?
Yes,
वो
Shubham.
जो शुभम,
Yes
ये
sir.
ले बेटा, ये देखिए यही हाइड्रोजन है ना बेटा,
Yes sir.
हाइड्रोजन में प्रोटॉन ही तो है, तो प्रोटॉन का वेट बता दिया ना बेटा। ओके,
Okay sir.
Yes sir.
संतुष्टि मिल गई?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
ओके हैप्पी।
Yes sir.
Yes,
Happy,
sir.
happy.
चलो बाय, चलो बाय बाय।
Bye sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.